Good day everyone. My name is Hari Ajabwakar Ali, first year BS Criminology.
Hello, my name is Marlene Asgri Kusala, first year BS Criminology.
Good day everyone, my name is Criseldine Gumayo Anipan, first year BS in Criminology.
Hello everyone, I'm Kayla de la Peña, first year BS in Criminology.
Good day everyone, my name is Natasha Jasalbi Palomar, first year BS in Criminology. So today, we are assigned to discuss to you what is Asian regionalism and how regionalism can benefit Asia and how regionalism can benefit the world. First, let's define what is the word regionalism. Regionalism, it is described as action by government to liberalize or facilitate trade on a regional basis.
What is Asian regionalism? Asian regionalism is the product of economic interaction, not political planning, as a result of successful, outward-oriented growth strategies. Asian economic have grown not only richer but also closer together. So, Asian regionalism, it is the product of economic integration, which leads to Asian growth and productivity, financial stability, and regional economic integration. Which means that despite of differences such as race and religion, language, belief, and other, it is still to aim unite to work together and to have a better economy and environment to everyone. It is something na mas nagpapaunlad sa Asian at nagbibigay sagot sa different problem that Asian countries facing back. Then so means ang Asian regionalism focus on development, progress, and unity within the Asian continent or countries despite of differences. So this is the example of Asian regionalism. Di ba minsan naririnig natin sa mga news ang pagpupulong ng mga pangulo or the president para pag-usapan yung mga bagong strategies or things na makakatulong sa ekonomiya ng Asian or sa mga country na napapabilang sa Asian. That's all.
According to Federal Foreign Office, there are different Asian groups and associations. First, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, AEM or Asia-Europe Meeting, APEC, Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, the CAARC or South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, and more. Asian economies are connected through trade, financial transaction, direct investment, economic relationships, labor and tourist flows, and technology. What is importance of Asian regionalism? First, it helps sustain regions' growth. Second, underpin regions' stability, reduce inequality, marshal common response to major challenges, and sustain global economic progress. Why are nations participating in regionalism? Nations believe that regionalism can boost and support their national interests in economic, military, political, and even cultural contexts.
This time, I will going to discuss how regionalism can benefit Asia. First, link the competitive strength of its diverse economies in order to boost their productivity and sustain the region's exceptional growth. Boasting it may also enhance and sustain the region's exceptional growth because our population growth is increasing year after year, reducing our efficiency and enable our needs. Second, connect the region's capital markets to enhance financial stability, reduce the cost of capital, and improve opportunities for sharing risk. Doing this may help stabilize our financial needs, and by reducing the cost of capital, improves a lot of opportunities for other people, although the downside is that some people may find it unfair. Third, cooperate in setting exchange rate and microeconomic policies in order to minimize the effect of global imbalances. We must work together to reduce global imbalances because if we do not, we will all be affected by exchange rate. Cooperations improve the effect of keeping our economy's policies balanced. More people implies better work. more people has less effect on global imbalance in our economy. Lastly, pool the region's foreign exchange reserve to make more resources available for investment and development. When it comes to foreign exchange, the value of other countries' currencies has a high value. Thus, having foreign exchange reserve or improves our resources or rather enhance our investment and development. In conclusion, these benefits from cooperation could extend also to developing Asian's economies that are not yet part of the region's integrating core. Indeed, in relative terms, newcomers to regional integration have the most to gain from expanded opportunities for economic development that it provides. Hence, development strategy and to provide guidance on how to build stronger regional connection would benefit not only Asia but the world. It has the potential to improve the region's prosperity, stability, and with the correct policies and alleviate inequality.
Hello everyone, I will continue the discussion of Ms. Anipan on how regionalism can benefit Asia. So one of the benefits of regionalism, exercise leadership in global decision making to sustain open global trade and financial system that have supported a half century of unparalleled economic development. So it means that regionalism enhance leadership of different leaders in Asian countries. It creates regional cooperation exchanging goods and services. Also in production and manufacturing by promoting import and export products in each countries. Also in financial system, leaders become more open to collaborate with each other in terms of economic development. So, for example, Japan has assumed a permanent rules in Asian trade, and South Korea, China, Taiwan have also traded more heavily with other Asian countries. Also, another benefit of regionalism, build, connect infrastructure and collaborate on exclusive development to reduce inequalities within and across economies, and also those to strengthen support for pro-growth policies. So regionalism makes sure that most of the country in Asia will continue to grow and development their economic system. Instead of competition with each other, they help and because of that it reduces inequalities. So another for example is yung Japan and Philippines. So during the first half of 2020, Japan provided nearly 40% of the Philippines official development assistance. Also, another example is the Asian along with China, Japan, and South Korea established an emergency fund that stabilized Asian economies after rippling effect of Thai economic collapse. And another benefit of regionalism, create regional mechanism to manage cross-border health, safety, and environmental issue better in Asian countries. And lastly, help Asia address regional challenges as well as provide stronger foundation for its global rules. In conclusion, the Asian regionalism has brought greater impact in regions' growth and development. Yet, the challenge of cooperation should not be underestimated. It will require trust, innovation, and compromise, and most likely time.
Going to discuss how Asian regionalism can benefit the world. Regionalism can benefit the world as long as Asia's economies continue to integrate not only with one another but also with the rest of the world. Asia's role as a fresh and stabilizing engine of global economic growth could be boosted by sustained Asian dynamism by regional collaboration. An integrated Asia can generate productivity gains, new ideas, and competition that boost economic growth and rise incomes across the world. It is contribute to the efficiency and stability of global financial markets by making Asia capital markets stronger and safer, and by maximizing the effective use of Asian savings. Diversity sources of global demand helping to stabilize the world economy and diminish the risk posed by global imbalances and downturns in other major economies. It is provide also to help sustain open global trade and financial system, and lastly create regional mechanism to manage healthy, safe and environment issue better, and thus contribute to more effective global solution of this problem.
Here are some risks of Asian regionalism. First, global demand and financial can be compromised. Second, financial reversals and economic slowdowns. Third, new health of or security threats could make the flow of people and goods more difficult and expensive. Environmental damage could result in radical changes in economic policies. Last, social instability could generate tensions and uncertainty that overwhelm to economic progress.